up? I hope you all are doing well. In case you're watching me for the very first time, hello, my name is Whitney Wuzor and I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle YouTuber. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. So we are in the month of August and this month has gone by pretty fast, I must say. And in this short time, I have managed to get myself quite a few things that I've been loving so far. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorites for the month. Now, for those of you who do not know, I do have a series on my channel that is entitled Bye Bye Acne, and it is all about acne. So if you do have acne prone skin, make sure you go check out that series. I will leave a link in the description box below and also a link up here, so you could just click that and go straight to it. So I've been obsessing over skincare because I'm the kind of person who loves to slay with and without makeup. So having said that, the first thing I've been loving this month are the Nykaa Sheet Mask. And these are so good. They are so good for your skin. They're so hydrating. And they retail for 100 rupees per packet. And there is an offer wherein if you buy 5, you do get 5 free. So basically, if you think about it, you are spending 500 rupees. But if you actually think about it, you're basically spending about 50 rupees per mask. And I think that that is super affordable. Very needed for your skin, because honestly, with the kind of pollution that we have and also the stress levels that we have, I think pampering ourselves from time to time is very, very essential. Now, Nykaa has launched 10 varieties of these, if I'm not mistaken, but out of the 10, I heavily lean onto these 3 masks, which is the rice water plus white tea for toned and firm skin, then the tea tree and aloe vera for clear and moisturized skin. And next you have the black mud plus aloe vera for purified and hydrated skin. Moving on to the next monthly item, for the longest time I've always wanted a really small, compact Bluetooth speakers that I could just slot in my handbag and be on my way. So the other day my dad actually surprised me and got me the JBL Go speakers. Now I believe that these are the JBL Go 1. Now these speakers retail for 1,800 rupees, and for the sound quality that you are getting, these are so worth it. I love the fact that you can easily pair these speakers with your phone or your laptop or any other Bluetooth device. And these are really loud, but I have heard that the JBL Go 2 are super loud and they are also waterproof. So if you do want to get that, I suggest you get that one, because you're only spending, I think, maybe 500 rupees more as compared to the amount that you pay for this one. So if you are looking for speakers, I do recommend the JBL 2. I will leave a link down in the description box on where you can get it from and the different colors. Moving on to the next thing, so for those of you who know me, you guys know that I am pretty heavy-handed when it comes to my phone, which means that I usually don't get through half of the day without my phone running down, and that is where this comes along. And this is the Xiaomi 10,000 mAh power bank that I have. Now this retails for 1,200, but I believe Amazon has a sale going on, so you could get this for 900 rupees. Now the offer that I had at the time is that I would get the power bank and the sleeve together, and both of them put together looks like this. Now this is so handy, and it does have 2 charging points, which is really good because I can charge 2 things at the same time. This is a lifesaver when it comes to me, and for those of you who know me personally, you guys know I cannot leave the house without my power bank. This is my baby right here. Now my next monthly favorite is yet again another item from Nykaa, and it is the lipstick collection by Masaba. Now I absolutely love this collection, mainly because the lipsticks are created by Masaba herself, and I feel like she is such an inspiration. And also the fact that all the lipstick shades are brown skin friendly, which I think is the most amazing thing, because I feel like it's really nice to see someone, you know, to keep us in mind while creating a collection, and I feel like she did a fabulous job at it. Now the lipsticks itself are pretty velvety and really smooth. It does have 4.2 grams of product, which is pretty basic if you think of any other lipstick bullet. My personal favorite shade is Pitaka, and it is a beautiful red that would suit any brown skin girl. It's so beautiful, so amazingly crafted. It is a blue tone red and it'll suit anybody. The next favorite that I also love from this collection is Limbu Pani, and it is a very beautiful nude. Now I do not own that as of now, but I have tried it out at the store and it is a beautiful nude shade. Apart from that, I also love the quirky names that she's given each lipstick, and I love how each lipstick has a different story to it. So if you are looking for a lipstick, I do recommend that you do check out the Masaba collection by Nika. Now last but not least are my Bluetooth headphones, and these ones are by Boat. They are wireless and they connect really easily to any Bluetooth comparing device. And if you guys know me personally, yet again, you guys know that I always have these headphones around my neck. It is my second baby, I would say, and I love the sound quality of these headphones. And I do highly recommend that if you are looking for a headphone, you do check this out. It is pretty good. If you have a pair of good affordable headphones, I'd be really happy if you could scroll down the comment section below and tell me what headphones you're using. Keep in mind that they should only be Bluetooth because I don't like having wires around me. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to comment down below what Bluetooth headphones you're using in case you are using Bluetooth headphones. And also comment down below any other video recommendations that you would like me to do, and I would quickly jump on that wagon. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.